do some cave exploring here. See countless brachiopods, crinoid fossils here. Just a second. Alright, here we go. Got a cave exploring here. Let's see. Right there's where water comes out at. Downstream. It goes in here too. If I get the light to turn on, it won't. Okay. Now I got the light to turn on now. You can see here. This is a limestone cave. You see all the rocks glistening with water and kind of like little rainbows in them. Look at this far right here. All the water runs up through that crevice over into the stream. That just dead ends right over there. Shouldn't bring my spotlight. My camera's handy with a light in it. That's just a dead end right up there. Yeah. This is another cave I have filmed. It's been a while of it. We've got a crevice way right through there too. Bet I could find Indian pottery pieces in here. Very much of all the limestone fossils. It's a really short cave, that's why it's gonna be a short film. Look. Piece of brachiopods fossils right here too. Washed out in here. Probably crinoid. That's it. There's the and move down these rock slides. This is super treacherous. Last hike, I just discovered a cave. So the cave on top of that hill right over I was just in. It don't go back any further. It's pretty short. Well, let's see where this spring comes out at. There's also looks like on the rocks. This is potentially dangerous. Rock surface and going down backwards. Shadow our way to the bottom. Not too bad. All you AT hikers know about Rocksylvania. This is kind of like it, but a little more extreme and dangerous. The algae growing and being very slippery. And my last adventure, climbing numerous amount of waterfalls, discovering a massive waterfall. And now I showed you all a cave. I got it marked on my map too. I know where it's at in the future. I'll come back down here. Yep. I made it down the bottom stream. Sandbars. Not slippery at all. Oh, looky there. We got another waterfall right there. Let's some ice there, but better not tread on that. Last time, I about slipped. Look at there. That wasn't just the final waterfall I filmed last time. We have another one right here. This is the only place I'm going to film. Look at that. Waterfall coming down this stream. This leads just into Meshack Creek, kind of like the last time I went to. I got spider webs all over my face. Let's see if I'm on the waterfall. I'll go back up through that way. Apparently, no. It's slippery. Very, very slippery. I'll show you the top part. You see where another section's coming up over there. It's coming off the curve of the ridge. Tread carefully back down where we came. And whoa, box broke. Okay. There you have it. I'll get down here. You can glance at it one last time. I'm sorry I can't get my arm in front of there, but these spider webs, they keep bothering me. Oh look, see right there where I'm pointing at. There's more crinoids bedded into this creek too. It's an ancient seafloor here from 400 million years ago. We'll stand right here on this ledge. There you have it. There's another waterfall I found. I can tell you, I am becoming a waterfall addict. I'm finding them all over this place. See a bunch of conjoined crinoids right here too, scattered apart right there. Now downstream here. Heard something move. But I made a snake because it's getting warm out here. Snakes are my natural enemies. Oh, one last spot over here. There's your way to a cave up there. Climb back up to get that hillside. I ain't gonna go any further though. I'm gonna end it off here. It's gonna be the last spot to end it off. But we'll climb up this way. I'll give you a good glance of the cave. Stay on the dress of the rocks. See big rocks without sliding. There's your cave right there. So I'm going to end it off here. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see if I can post you more cave videos. Until then, have a good day.